Welcome. In today's quick guide, you'll learn how to disable the Use Secure Connections feature on Google Chrome. This setting is designed to automatically upgrade your browsing to HTTPS for added security, but in some cases it can block certain websites or cause loading issues. If you're running into problems or simply prefer to turn it off, I'll walk you through the exact steps. First, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen so you can access the menu easily. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots. This will open Chrome's main menu where all your settings and options are located. From the menu, scroll down slightly and select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's full settings page where you can control everything from privacy to appearance. Now, inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section contains important controls related to how your data is handled and how Chrome protects your browsing experience. Once you're in Privacy and Security, look for the option labeled Always Use Secure Connections. When this feature is turned on, Chrome tries to upgrade every website to a secure HTTPS version. To disable it, simply toggle the switch off. Once it's turned off, Chrome will no longer force secure connections and will allow standard HTTP websites to load without interference.